Hey YouTubers, it's Sonia. I want to jump on here real fast. I'm about to get in the shower and shampoo my hair and everything. But I want to come on really fast and share with you guys some great news. It's a childhood cancer update, and I promised that this would be the last one for this month, as my son had an MRI on yesterday. So as you can imagine, we must have not seen any growth, or else I would not be so happy. So yes, his MRI was stable. Yay! We were so happy to hear that. There still is no spot showing in his brain, and the spot in his spine is the same size as it was in April, the end of April, like April 30th, I think was his last MRI. So we were ecstatic with that news. Of course, we were hoping that the one in his spine was shrinking, or that it was even gone. But hey, we'll just keep on trucking and keep on praying. God is still in control of this, and he can still heal him. So that's what we are depending on. But I just wanted to jump on here really fast and share that great news with everyone. And I hope you guys are having a fabulous day wherever you are, day, night, afternoon, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.